Pete the Cat and the Itsy Bitsy Spider by James Dean. One day, while playing outside with his friends, Pete the Cat spotted something cool. "Look!" shouted Pete. "Wow, it's so small," said Gus. "Friends, look at Pete the Cat's hand. What do you see?" "It's an itsy bitsy spider," said Callie. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Oh no! Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. You see the sun, friends? Pete and his friends knew just what to do. Everyone cheered on the tiny spider. Yay! So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Look, he's trying again. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Look, he came out on a surfboard. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. See the spider's friends? They have boxes. I wonder what can be inside. Pete said, "Don't give up yet." They all cheered louder this time. Look, the spider has shoes on. Again, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout with his shoes on. Down came the rain, and Pete and his friends shouted, "Go, itsy bitsy spider!" You see him right there, friends, climbing up the spout? I wonder if he's gonna make it. And the itsy bitsy spider kept climbing up the water spout. Look at him climbing with the rain coming down. He's almost there. Everyone celebrated and the spider took a bow. Look, you made it to the top. With the help of some friends, the itsy bitsy spider never gave up, even when the odds were against her. The end.